Okay guys, well what I've got here today is a seat heater switch. Now I know I said I was supposed to be doing the wheels next, but the tyres have been delayed, so they should be here next Monday I'm told by lunchtime, so I'll get that booked in and hopefully by the end of next week or the week after we should have the wheels on, which I'm really looking forward to. So in the meantime I popped down to Kittle Toyota. Big thanks to them again, they always come through, and this is a right hand side seat heater switch. If you have the upmarket Toyota 86 or BRZ, whichever trim level is yours in your country, okay, you get heated seats obviously. So the little light on mine when you click the switch does not work, but the switch itself works, and I thought I could ignore that, but it's been eating away at me slowly but surely, and the OCD went nuts and I capitulated and decided to buy it. Now this is going to cost you around $108 Australian, so you just check with your local dealer for whatever that is. That's your number there. Okay, I'm not sure what this was, just extra info if you need to see that. And this is the switch. Obviously you've seen it before, but this is what it looks like new and not in the console. So you'd think it's expensive, but you're getting all this for $108. So the only problem is the little switch and the light here. This is the bit we're worried about, may burn out again. So you can upgrade this with LEDs or something. That's quite an effort, evidently, is soldering and whatnot. So again, I'll pop this in brand new and we'll see how long it lasts. So the only reason why I've been letting this off as well is I was worried that I'd have to take out the whole console again. And if you see me painting the trim in one of my earlier videos, how much that entails, you can see why I was reticent to do that. It's just a lot of work and I really don't want to. But speaking to AutoLink and just looking around the internet, I think I can actually, just change the camera there, pop out the gear lever surround area there like you normally do for the switch, what I did for the Japanese style switch that I did, and get your fingers under and maybe pop it out. If I can do that, it'll be a hell of a lot easier, and that makes a lot more sense. So hopefully that's going to work. So yeah, it's raining today, so hopefully tomorrow is going to be a little bit sunnier, so we'll get the car out then and we'll give this a go. Alright guys, cheers. Okay guys, we're in the car. We're going to try to change this heat seater switch. You'll excuse the noise outside, it's a main road and it's just about knock-off time for most people. So the car was sitting out in the sun after I got some groceries, so everything's nice and warm, so the plastic might be a little bit more flexible for us, we hope. So yeah, first thing we do is basically just pull this part off without destroying anything. Okay. And that now gives us access into here. So oh, well, that's way easier than I thought. Didn't scratch my little surround, hopefully. So yeah, just pop this out now. This is usually the way we have to do these. Let's have a look. There we go. Just push this little plastic tab in here and out she pops. Too easy. To think I've been putting this off for months. Okay, next one in. Go. Just take a little minute to clean around here while we can. It's the problem when you have a skin condition, it gets everywhere, it's gross. So yeah, and we just push that back down in. Make sure it's still filming. Awesome. Obviously I have to turn the ignition on to see if they work. So we'll go back around to the driver's side, see if that works. Right. Just give us a bit of a wipe. Yeah, in winter, if you want to do this, I'd suggest just quickly giving a hairdryer or something, just a light heating up, not excessive obviously, just to help the process along a little. That's just me, maybe that's the wrong thing to do, but that's what I do. Alright, luckily there is not too much difference between the old and the new one there. If I didn't point it out, you wouldn't know. So let's just keep that a secret, shall we? Alright, we'll pop around the other side and get this going. Okay, start the car. And there we have it. Which is good, because once you buy these, they don't take them back, so I'm happy they worked. So yes, relatively easy. Well, not relatively, super easy. Alright guys, cheers. See you in the next video, which hopefully will be the wheels. I keep saying that, but again, when things get delayed, it's beyond your control. So yeah, super looking forward to that. Cheers, peoples.